Good morning, grade 2. Our lesson for today is about the series of adjectives. It's Saturday. Gwen and her family are going out for a picnic. Her mother asked her to help in packing. Here are what Gwen should prepare: 5 paper cups, 7 rounded paper plates, several rectangular cloth napkins, 2 small black trash bags, 2 comfortable large sheets, and 3 large smooth white shirts. Do you think Gwen will have a hard time looking for the items? Why or why not? Are the given descriptions enough to help her? Grade 2, we follow a certain order when using more than one adjective in the descriptions. Adjectives that tell us about the kind, size, shape, and texture come after adjectives of number. Example: 7 tough small boys. While adjectives of color come after other adjectives. Example: 6 large smooth pink shirts. Let's go back to Gwen's list of things to prepare for their family picnic. Are the adjectives used to their proper sequences? Let's read it again. 5 paper cups, several rounded paper plates, several rectangular cloth napkins, 2 small black trash bags, 2 comfortable large sheets, and 3 large smooth white shirts. Okay, grade 2, let's practice. Fill in the chart with the appropriate adjectives. Thank you for listening, grade 2. God bless you and see you again next time.